Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Kalra and this was my second pregnancy. I was very sure from the very first day that I need a normal delivery. So I heard about Nikita ma'am and the reviews I got about her were amazing. They were she tries her 100% to give normal vaginal birth and this was my second time. First I had a C-section, so that time, that recovery phase and everything was very difficult for me. This time I was sure that I need a normal delivery. So as soon as I heard, I came here and I connected with ma'am, and as she gave me tips for doing yoga, for doing breathing exercises, I did everything as she said, and it was all helpful. I was very, very happy with my results, and I used to feel good about everything. I used to discuss with ma'am. She was very kind. She used to treat us like a family member. She used to tell us every little things also, that what help us in what things in the time of delivery, whatever the things will go on, and she was ready for everything. And as I said, so she made sure that I have to do a normal delivery, and she just during the whole pregnancy she was only like, I'll try my best, and even I was there to put efforts. Then at the time of delivery, when I got into labor, so that very fine day, from the night we started, and the contractions were very fast, and I was very confused also. I was not able to tolerate after some time. So at the point of time I gave up, but ma'am made sure that my wishes are fulfilled from the first day. She was very much about it that I want a normal delivery, so she will try best to give me. And finally I was able to do a normal delivery. It was all thanks to ma'am. I can't thank her enough for this thing, because it made a lot of difference. Like in the recovery phase also, I had been through both of them, but the first time I literally, it took me days to even get up from bed. And for this time, from the second day I was at my home, it was so easy, and there was no difficult phase or suffering thing. Everything was very calm. One thing I would like to mention about Raval Fertility, that they guys give you knowledge about things, like what is going to happen on the day of delivery, or they regular take workshop. This is very unique. You will not find it anywhere in the city. These guys are very much into yoga sessions and everything. Every week you will get normal information on your WhatsApp messages that they have a workshop, or sometimes it's on breastfeeding, sometimes it's on the delivery day, sometimes it's yoga sessions, and every time the little things, the women's day, the baby shower thing, they celebrate these things, and it's fun. When you come, you connect with all the mothers, you hear experiences of everybody. Sometimes you are not able to talk about things whatever going on with you, so you can come and you can just connect with people. You can share your thoughts. It's very unique, and this is the thing I'll remember forever, that ma'am literally prepared us pre-delivery by giving us so much knowledge about that day, that what all is going to happen, what is our responsibility, how we have to behave, how our husbands have to help us. So that made a lot of difference. And so I'll just tell all the mothers, or in the first phase who all have had a C-section delivery, that normal delivery is possible, and it is possible with only Nikita ma'am. So you can also try for it. Thank you so much.